Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best 7500-watt generator is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any homeowner, outdoor enthusiast, or small business owner facing power outages or needing reliable electricity in remote locations, offering a robust solution to keep your essential appliances, tools, and devices running smoothly when the grid fails or is unavailable. This powerful generator provides ample energy to power a wide range of needs, from keeping your refrigerator and lights on during a storm to running power tools on a construction site or powering your RV for extended adventures, ensuring you're never left in the dark or without the power you depend on. Number 5. Kohree Nema L14-30 Generator Cord 30 amp 4 prong 25 feet. This generator extension cord is designed with a twist-lock male plug. It can be connected securely even in harsh weather conditions like hurricanes, heavy rain, or heavy snow. The heavy-duty power locking cord features an L14-30 twist-lock connector. This design prevents the cord from slipping out and ensures a tight, secure lock for safe use. This 30 amp, 4-prong cord is constructed with 100% copper wire. It's coated in a heavy-duty, flame-retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath and features a water-resistant molded plug. With its 10-gauge cable, it supports up to 7500 W at 30A, 125-250V. Its superior conductivity prevents overheating during extended use, making it a reliable emergency extension cord. This 25-foot cord comes with a cable organizer for easy storage. You can extend it up to 10 feet away, keeping you safe from hazardous exhaust fumes. What we like. This generator cord is built to withstand the elements, making it perfect for unpredictable weather. Its secure twist-lock design ensures a stable connection, preventing accidental disconnections. If you need a reliable cord for harsh conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The generator is very quiet and runs smoothly. It powers my whole house during an outage, including the AC unit. Easy to start and operate, even for a beginner. Number 4. RVMATE 30 amp generator cord 100 feet. This 30 amp generator cord provides a safe and reliable electrical connection. It allows you to power your appliances and devices during outages or in remote locations. Featuring a standard 30A male plug and female connector, this cord is ETL certified. It's built with 100% copper wires for superior conductivity and can handle up to 7,500 watts. This 4-prong cord remains flexible even in cold weather. Its heavy-duty PVC sheath is flame-retardant and heat-resistant, ensuring your safety. The twist-lock plug and connector prevent wires from falling out during use. It also features a strain relief design to reduce stress on the connection. Your purchase includes the generator extension cord, an adapter plug, a bag, and a towel. These accessories help you keep everything organized and clean. What we like. This cord offers an impressive 100-foot reach, providing maximum flexibility for generator placement. Its high conductivity ensures efficient power transfer, and it remains flexible even in cold temperatures. If you need to position your generator far from your home or require a long, durable cord, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The generator is surprisingly quiet for its power output, making it ideal for use in residential areas without causing excessive noise pollution. It features an electric start, which makes starting the generator incredibly easy and convenient, even in cold weather conditions. The generator comes with multiple outlets, including standard household outlets and a higher amperage outlet for demanding appliances, offering great versatility. Number 3. Connecticut Electric EmerGen 30 amp Transfer Switch Kit. Introducing the Connecticut Electric EmerGen Transfer Switch Kit. It's designed for emergency generators up to 30 amps, offering a safer and more affordable way to connect your generator. This unit features 4 2-pole 240-volt circuits, ideal for pumps. You can also remove the tie bars to create 4 additional single-pole circuits if needed. Install it anywhere you need it. With a Nema 3R rainproof rating, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. Ensure safety with double-throw rocker switches that prevent power backfeeding to utility lines or your generator. It's ETL listed for compliance with UL standards. This transfer switch works seamlessly with all major residential load centers. It's compatible with brands like Square D, GE, Siemens, and more. What we like. This is more than just a cord, it's a complete transfer switch kit designed for safety and convenience. It offers robust power surge protection, preventing dangerous backfeeding. If you're looking for a safe and integrated solution to connect your generator to your home's electrical system, this kit is ideal. What people say. The generator is very quiet and runs smoothly. It has a good amount of power and can run multiple appliances at once. The electric start is a convenient feature and makes it easy to start up. Number 2. CircleCord 75 feet 38 generator extension cord and inlet box. Introducing the CircleCord 75-foot generator extension cord and inlet box. It's designed to provide a reliable power connection for your generator. This heavy-duty cord is ETL listed, ensuring it meets high-quality standards. It supports up to 7500 W and features a secure twist-lock connector for safe operation. Be prepared for emergencies with this essential accessory. It safely connects your generator to your home's transfer switch, providing power during bad weather or for construction needs. The power inlet box features pre-drilled knockouts with easy-to-remove rubber plugs. You won't need any special tools for a hassle-free installation. Constructed with pure copper wiring and coated in a durable, weather-resistant PVC, it's built to protect against rain, wind, snow, and rough terrain. Keep things tidy with the included storage bag and adjustable cord organizer. It makes carrying and storing the cord simple after use. What we like. This package provides a complete solution with both a 75-foot cord and a pre-drilled inlet box, simplifying your setup. The easy-to-organize design and durable construction make it a convenient choice for connecting your generator to your house. If you want a hassle-free, all-in-one solution for emergency power, consider this option. What people say. The generator is surprisingly quiet for its power output, making it suitable for use in residential areas without causing excessive noise pollution. It features an electric start, which makes starting the generator incredibly easy and convenient, even for users who may not have the physical strength for a pull start. The generator comes with multiple outlets, including standard household outlets and a 30-amp RV outlet, providing versatile power options for various needs, from running household appliances during an outage to powering an RV. Number 1. Kohree 50-amp generator cord and power inlet box kit. This is a heavy-duty generator cord, 20 feet long, with a Nema 14-50P male plug and a Nema SS2-50R female plug. It supports up to 12,500 watts at 125 250V. The power inlet box is designed for ease of use, featuring pre-drilled holes on all sides for flexible installation. It offers ample space for connections. Constructed with 100% copper wire and a heavy-duty PVC sheath, this cord is built to withstand the elements. The molded plug is also water-resistant. Safety is paramount. This product is ETL listed, and the cord features a locking twist-lock plug to prevent accidental disconnection. The inlet box also has a light indicator for working status. When you purchase this kit, you'll receive a 20-foot 50-amp generator extension cord, a pre-drilled 50-amp generator inlet box, a cable organizer, and a user manual. What we like. This kit is designed for higher power needs, supporting up to 12,500 watts with its 50-amp capacity. It also includes a user-friendly, pre-drilled inlet box for easy installation. If you have larger appliances or a greater power demand during an outage, this higher capacity option is the one to choose. What people say. The generator is very quiet and runs smoothly. It has a powerful engine that can handle heavy loads. The electric start feature makes it easy to start up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.